Well, rockets will soon be launching into the sky from North Baltimore.
No need to be concerned, though. It's all for science and, of course, for fun. Rick Boone tells us why middle school students are pulling the trigger on those rockets. Good morning, Rick.
Yeah, we're going to launch a rocket, Tom. Isn't this fun? This is real fun. I'm here at the Poly Institute. What's your name again?
Alex.
Alex, you got a rocket in your hand right here?
I do. This is our second test rocket.
So this baby can go up in the air?
It can. It actually went 140 yards on a test run.
That's what I'm talking about. And we also got our rocket crew over here, and these guys are about to put together the rocket we're going to launch right now. Okay, you guys get moving. How is this going to be work? You walk me through. What are they doing here?
Okay, so what they're doing first is they're putting the nozzle into the bottle, and the idea is that they are sealing the base of the bottle so that they can pump air through the water into the top of the bottle, and then that will keep the bottle pressurized. And we're doing about 50 psi right now. And the idea is that when you release the seal, all the pressurized air at the top is going to shoot out the bottom and force the rocket forward.
So this is all water-based, so we're not dealing with no explosives or anything like that?
No explosives, just pressure and water.
Okay. So this seems like something maybe even I could do.
Yeah,
okay.
It's very easy to put together and do.
So how do we launch this thing? Do we got a thumbs up? Okay, pull the string. Here we go. All right, Tom and Patrice, let's see how. You know what? Why you guys move over to the side when I get the string? Like, is something going to happen? Okay, here we go. Hey, is my insurance in place yet?
No, you're still in probation period. Oh, look at that.
Lord have mercy. Oh, my God. What is he going to do, catch the rocket like it's a football?
Are we trying to hit that kid when he's running?
Yeah, I guess. I think he just caught. Oh, it's stuck in a tree. It's stuck in a fence. Okay,
you're trying to hit that kid. It's running across the field.
No problem. We're going to launch another rocket. I got more rockets. We got more rockets to launch. Hey, why'd you guys move out of the way when this thing launched? That's what I want to figure out. How about they had my back?
Way back.
Way back.
Way back.
No, seriously. Did you all notice that when it launched, they did like this? They stepped back.
Yeah, as soon as they grab the string, Rick.
They're smart. They're smart.
But did you pull the string on like 3? Aren't you supposed to count down from 10 and pull it on 1 and then pull the string? Did you go on 2?
You know, these kids, they're so fast today, Tom. They're so fast, we're gonna launch another one, and we'll do the countdown and
we'll be watching
stuff like that.
and waiting.
Yeah.